Google's brand new Pixel 10 lineup is finally here. Pixel 10, Pixel 10 Pro, Pro XL, and the Fold. But here's the thing. Right out of the box, your Pixel isn't just another smartphone, it's designed to feel like your phone, with smart features that learn from you, adapt to your style, and actually make life easier. Today, I'm breaking down 4 ways you can instantly personalize your Pixel 10 the moment you unbox it. First up, Magic Q. Think of it as your Pixel's personal assistant that connects the dots across all your apps. It lives inside the Tensor G5 chip and runs on Gemini Nano, which means it works fast and privately right on your phone. So let's say you got an email with dinner reservations. Magic Q can automatically add it to your calendar. Planning a trip? It'll show you the forecast ahead of time, no digging required. And the best part? If it doesn't have a helpful suggestion, it won't bother you. You're always in control. You can turn it on or off and even manage what data it uses. Next is Daily Hub. This is your personalized morning and evening digest, right inside your Discover feed. It shows your calendar, trending topics, playlists, and even your Magic Q recommendations all in one glance. Think of it like a personal command center that updates throughout the day so you always know what's next. Instead of flipping through apps, everything's just there. Now let's talk design. Material 3 Expressive makes your Pixel feel alive. With new live effects, your wallpaper can adapt to your notifications, like subtle animations that give you info at a glance. You've also got tons of customization. 14 new components to tweak typography, switch color schemes, even reshape icons. And the whole interface feels fluid, with springy animations when you swipe or drag, so every interaction feels playful and smooth. Basically, it's your personality on full display. Finally, the setup experience. When you first power on your Pixel 10, you'll get a guided walkthrough of personalization options. Things like instant translations, music recognition, lock screen info, always on display, custom sounds, and even emergency contacts for safety. And don't worry, nothing is permanent. You can always tweak these later as your needs change. That's the beauty of Pixel 10. It grows with you. So, whether you're rocking the Pixel 10, Pro, XL, or even the Fold, these 4 features make it your Pixel. Which one are you most excited to try? Magic Q, Daily Hub, Material 3 Expressive, or the setup customization? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more hands-on tech deep dives.